Hi everyone, this is Fabienne Colas. I'm very happy today to talk to you about happiness. Many people believe that you should be having a perfect life to be happy, because otherwise you should always have this resentment, jealousy, envy toward other people, or you should feel bad for yourself, miserable, and constantly complaining. When I will get this house or this bigger house or this spouse or have kids or have this business or finish and wrap up that class, that course or that MBA or that master's degree or that PhD, you name it, then certainly I'll be happy. No, stop. You should be happy right here, right now, because you have all the reasons why you should. You can watch this video. That means you're alive and you're probably healthy and you probably have a great family. You probably are motivated by this project that you wanna work on and then you wanna accomplish. You probably have those people in your life that are just adorable and then supportive and then love you and like you. Probably you having some opportunities coming your way that you don't even know about. So you probably have all the reasons why you should be happy right now. But let's face it, you might be saying, no, I don't have this wonderful surrounding or people in my life, those wonderful people in my life, so I cannot be happy. I don't have all I need, so I cannot be happy. You might have reasons to believe maybe that you should feel miserable and be proud to be because you have an experience of setbacks. Everybody have setbacks in their life. Nobody's perfect. Nobody has a perfect life, okay? Be it you're poor or rich, everybody has setbacks. Being happy regardless of the setbacks, being happy because you have the hope that tomorrow will be better, being happy that the future will bring more and more and more to your life, will definitely attract happiness. More happiness in your life will definitely attract great people in your life, prosperity, and so much more love in your life. When you're happy, you're smiling, you're laughing, guess what? The universe will definitely keep sending more reasons for you to be happy. We'll keep sending more good people in your life. We'll keep sending more happiness and then more opportunities and all the great things that you've been waiting for. So I urge you, my friend, today to be the happiest you possibly can and smile and laugh and rejoice, because tomorrow will be better, because the universe will keep sending great things in your life. Miracle will start happening in your life when you just shift your mood, when you just shift the way you think and see things in a more positive way. So I challenge you to today feel happy and you will see what happens. Is there any reason why you think you should be happy? Please share with us. I have all the reasons why I should be happy today, because I have a great family, a family to die for. I'm healthy and I'm talking to you. So I'm happy and I hope you are too. Please share all your secrets, all your reasons why you should be happy. Maybe you will inspire somebody else. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it, and then don't forget to tell me what makes you happy and what reasons do we have to be happy and happy and happy and happier every day.